A few key tips to run a successful driving lessons Newcastle service. Learn the following tips to run a successful driving lessons Newcastle Service Company. Personalized education. Provide a variety of course packages and address each student's unique learning requirements and learning style, adaptability, and practicality. Provide choices for flexible scheduling, such as online reservation systems, weekends, and evenings. Put safety first. Stress that having safe driving practices is just as important as passing the test. Fair costs. Provide reasonable rates while emphasizing the value that comes with high-quality instruction, individualized attention, and a dedication to the learning success of your students. Exceptionally skilled and compassionate teachers. Put an investment in hiring and preparing instructors who not only understand traffic rules and safe driving techniques, but also have outstanding interpersonal skills, empathy, and the flexibility to modify their teaching strategies to fit the needs of a variety of student types. Visit us, Novocastrian Driver Training, for our driving lessons Newcastle service today.